Hey guys, Alex Ryan here. Welcome back to another video. I am doing a live event, a couple of free intro events. So sort of like a discovery event where if you're kind of interested about Amazon or selling on Amazon and you're not too sure where to get started, like you're not too sure what product to sell, you're not too sure, how to find a great supplier online. Maybe you're not too sure how to ship the product to the Amazon warehouse or to yourself, right? So that's why I'm running this discovery free events. Now they're going to be only select locations. We're going to have limited seating, obviously. So do check out the website where we have dates on our website. We've also got a free webinar too that sort of shows you 10 hot products you can sell on Amazon right now. But guys, it's important to get training, and there's a lot of free training out there. There's a lot of people out there, supposedly telling you that there's, they know what they're doing. Well, I tell you what, my history is last 10 years. I've been doing importing. I've been finding hot products for my clients, for myself, bringing them into Australia and to other countries and selling them for profit. That's exactly what I've been doing for the last 10 years. I reckon a lot of these people online, on YouTube, they have no clue what they're doing. And well, some of them might actually know what they're doing, but I think the majority of them have no clue. So be careful who you take advice from. It's very important. If you take advice from the wrong person, or your mentor is the wrong person, then a lot of bad stuff can happen, guys. You can be ripped off. You can spend a whole fortune on products in China. You can be scammed by suppliers in Alibaba. I mean, you definitely don't want that happening. But I've got to say, in the last 10 years, not one of my clients have ever been ripped off from Chinese suppliers, right? But it happens a lot. It happens a lot if you don't know what you're doing. So just be aware of that. And selecting your product is like, hot damn, it's like one of the biggest things you should be focused on. 80% of my time is deciding whether or not a product is the right fit for me and whether or not I can get in the market and sell it. That's why I have someone full-time helping me do this. All right, so guys, check out the website, check out the free event. Remember, book yourself in fast before they sell out. My name's Alex Ryan. Have an awesome day, guys. I'm enjoying the beautiful sun here in Sydney. It's 33 bloody degrees and I'm loving it. See you later. Have an awesome day.